Bonsoir à tous, mon nom est Gotha. Bienvenue chez moi, here in Cannes, French Riviera. Very excited to play one of my songs for you for the French Riviera Film Festival. Enjoy!
Here's a toast to the French Riviera Film Festival, 3rd edition.
What an incredible honor to be here at the legendary Beverly Hills Hotel celebrating the 3rd annual French Riviera Film Festival.
Given a lifetime achievement to George Chakiris, which for me is like a wow moment because I, remember him from West Side Story and going, why is he with Natalie Wood and I'm not?
All silliness aside, I will treasure this forever. Thank you very, very much. And I love my wife. Peace out.
Thank you all so much. I love the short film format. I've done 1 million of them. If you're broke, you want an actress basically for free, I'm here. Hire me. Thank you.
A special thanks to Nicole Mouge and the French Riviera Film Festival for this really lovely honor on this really lovely day with all of you. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Today was simply awesome. It couldn't have gone better. We had major industry legends here, Karl Lagerfeld, Eric Roberts, and of course George Chakiris, and we had a beautiful performance by the Lombard twins, and everything went so well.